Today I'm going to share a dessert dish called Bibingka. I wanted to pick something sweet, but that dish takes me back. It's a sticky rice dish that mom would always make around Christmas time. And I remember first seeing it and thinking, man, it looks like weird. Like it doesn't look visually appealing, but when I tasted it, it's just caramelly and comforting. And now I don't see the dish as much, but anytime I do see it and smell it, it just smells like home and it smells like Christmas time, which is a really fun time and it reminds you of family, so yeah, that's why I picked it.
How often do you eat Filipino food?
I wish more often. I've been trying to cook more Filipino food at home, and some of it's hard, but it usually ends up being a call with mom asking her what the recipe is to something.
Do you cook Filipino food?
I do, yeah. I'm learning. These are the ingredients you need to make bibingka, or like you were saying, bibingka malangkit?
Malakit, which means sticky rice.
Yeah, because it's a sticky rice dessert, and like I said, I picked it because my mom used to make it all the time around the holidays, and it just reminds you of home and a really happy time. So here are the ingredients. We have it's a very important glutinous rice. I think any rice would do, but it's better if it's kind of sticky glutinous rice. And your rice cooker, because you're Filipino, you make it in a rice cooker, not a pot. It's just the way it rolls. You have some coconut milk, brown sugar, shredded coconut, and some vanilla extract, and then that's it. Okay, so for our bibingka, I have the pot here heated to medium heat, and first thing I'm gonna do is add my coconut milk. We have 2 cans to add. I'm heating up the coconut milk to reduce it down. So that'll take, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. Now that the coconut milk is starting to bubble, it's warmed through, we can add our brown sugar. So this is 2 cups of brown sugar. It's in. It's fine.
Things happen. What happened?
And then I just stir this until it's combined.
Yes, just keep stirring until it gets thick in consistency.
My mom was saying that she likes to make this with dark brown sugar. I think we're just using regular. The dark brown sugar gives it a bit richer of a color.
Yeah, we just have to wait a little bit.
Okay, so that's good enough.
Yeah. Let me check. Let's put it up a bit.
Okay, so she's raising the heat a little bit.
Right now it's not reduced yet. We're gonna reduce it down
More.
Yeah, you can see that the consistency is more creamy, starting to get thicker when it's reduced.
Okay.
So that's what we're looking for until you're ready to put the rice, and you can tell so that when the rice is there, it's already, it doesn't take much because the rice is already pre-cooked, right?
Yeah.
So all you got to do is incorporate your sugar, your coconut until things marry, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So after we mixed in the brown sugar, you raise the heat to high and you bring it to a slight boil.
Yeah, you can't leave it though, honey.
Okay. Okay, so I have to stay by the oven.
Stay. Keep an eye on it, like close.
Yeah, sometimes I wander away. Oh, and look, it's combined now. Now it's all brown. Should I turn the heat down or is this still good?
As long as you keep stirring.
Okay. Mom, it's like boiling now. Do we want to keep it at a boil and keep stirring?
You actually can put the rice, start putting the rice
Now that
right
it's
now
boiling
at this
now?
point, yeah.
Ooh, this is sticky.
Good girl.
You made this for Christmas last year, didn't you?
Every occasion. It's Grandpa's favorite.
Your grandpa or
Your grandpa.
or like
On daddy's side. And every time I ask, what can I bring for potluck? He says, they always like, but they call it differently. They call it the sinukmani or something.
Sinukmani.
Yeah.
Does that mean something
I
else?
think that in their own dialect, that's what they term it. So, yeah, I always make it.
So I just keep stirring? Mm-hmm. You're right, there's a lot of stirring. So I'm stirring. Now what am I waiting for, Mom?
You're waiting for it to be more thicker.
Okay.
Okay? Less juice.
Okay.
And then we can pour it in the pan.
After this, we'll bake it in the oven?
Yeah. We
Okay.
put it in the oven.
Okay, now that the rice is combined and we're waiting for it to reduce down, we can add, this is 1 cup of shredded coconut, and we're gonna add about half of it or a little bit more than half because the rest of it we save for the topping. So I'm gonna stir that coconut in. Should I turn the heat down?
Sure,
It's
you
roaring.
can turn the heat.
Okay.
You know, back home, the old grandmas used to stir it, do it this way.
Oh, okay.
See how it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker?
Okay, there's a technique to that, obviously. So, my mom's stirring, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Whoa. Turn it down a bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
back to
getting-
medium heat now.
Wow. See, that's the consistency, or even thicker. We're getting there.
This is the thickness Mom says is approved. Thickness approved. Okay, so at this thickness now, I'm going to pour it into the Pyrex.
Can I help you?
We're doing it.
We'll make it.
Okay, very good. Very good, Mom.
Very good.
Oh yeah, we did it.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, just right. See?
Okay. And then our leftover coconut, just sprinkle it on top.
So,
So you're sprinkling on more
brown sugar on top.
Oh,
Yeah.
Aunt is here, so it
just a little.
caramelizes on top.
So it caramelizes and it turns brown more.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this into, we're just using a toaster oven today. We had it preheated for 400 degrees. Oh, it's perfect. How long is it gonna be in here, Mom?
I put it on, how much did I put it? Around, how many minutes? 30 minutes, but you gotta check it in between.
Okay.
You know, once you can see that it's already set, then it's ready.
Okay, we'll keep checking it. See you in 30 minutes.
Yay! Yes!
You can see it's caramelized on top. It's bubbling. Ta-da! Bibingka!
The end product.
Yeah.
Ta-da!